Now comes another nice lesson, brothers and sisters. Ad-darsu thalithu wa ishrun. Lesson number 23. What is the importance of this lesson? It deals with sound masculine plural. Sound masculine plurals. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Also, we are going to learn other numbers. I must remind you, we did little grouping. Number 1 and 2, they are not manut. Number 3 to 10, mudaf ilayh. And then 11 and 12, they also match. And then 13 to 19, they are mabni, ala fatah. But then we will say fi mahalli. We'll say fi mahalli if necessary. And then also in that, the adad is opposite of ma'dud. And then we came to ishrun. Brother, ishrun is like Jama Mudhakkar Salim. Are you with me? It is on the same pattern of Jama Mudhakkar Salim. So, then in lesson number 10, we counted only masculine from 21 to 30. And in this lesson, we will count from 21 to 30 for feminine. Let us do that first. Are you with me? Let us do that first. And before anything else, I will also write here a couple of things for you. Brother, Mudarri Sun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? How do I make into Jama? I will add Waw and Noon. Remember, Waw and Noon. Mudarri Sun. That is why it is called sound plural. Because you did not make any change in its base form. Mudarri Sun remained. All you added was Waw and Noon. And if it is a broken plural, there will be changes in its singular form. For example, Kalamun, Aklamun, you broke it. You added a and then alif and all that thing. Aklamun. It's not Kalamun, Kalamuna, no. Aklamun. Okay. Baitun, Buyutun. See, you are changing it. But here you are not changing. Mudarisun, Mudarisuna. Fine, brother. This is the reason it is called sound plurals, Now, Mudarisuna, we are so used to seeing Fatah, Dhamma, Kasra at the end to tell us that it is Marfu, Mansub, and Majrur. Here, it's not there. For the time being, ignore the Noon. You see Waw. Now that Waw is the sign that it is Marfu. That we have to remember. Brother Hassan? Waw is the sign, if you see Waw in the Jama Mudhakkar Salim, sound masculine plural, that is the sign that it is in a nominative case. And then what will be the accusative case? Mudarri. Again, I tell you to ignore the Noon for the time being. Mudarrisina. Now this is Mansub. What is the sign of its being Mansub? Yeah. Remember. But if you understand all these things, book 3 will become easy because these will all be repeated in book 3. In much more detail. What is the Majroor? Same. Mudari Sina. It is also Majroor. What is the sign of its? Ya. Ya is the sign of it being Majroor. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now we go to exercise number 4, brothers and sisters. I want to go to the exercise first before I go to the main lesson. Exercise 4, brothers and sisters. Are you there, everybody? Yes. Now, you see here, Ishrun. Same thing like Mudarisuna. Brother Abdul Samad, these are on the pattern of Jama Muzakkar Salim. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Only from 20 to 90. They are on the pattern of Jama Muzakkar Salim. So Ishruna and then Thalathuna, Arbauna, Khamsuna, Sittuna, Sab'una, Thamanuna, Thamanuna, and Tis'una. Are you with me? Now if it is Ishrun, how will I make it Mansub and Majroor? Ishreen. Thalathuna, Thalathin. Arbauna, Arba'in. And Khamsuna, Khamseen. And Sittuna, Sitteen. And Sab'una, Sab'een. Thamanuna, Thamaneen. And Tis'una, Tis'een. Not difficult, brother. Once we have the idea of Jama Muzakkar Salim, how it declines, it's easy. Okay. So this is one thing you should note. Now what is it called? From 20 to 90. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What is it called? It's called Uqudun. What is it called? Uqudun. Uqudun. Hazihi Uqudun. Do you see at the end of it? Hazihi Uqudun. Now this form is called Uqud. Means when you say Uqud, it is either 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Now we go to brothers and sisters. Exercise number 10. What is 21? If the Ma'dud happens to be Mu'annas. No, if the Ma'dud happens to be Mu'annas, the number 21 will start with Ihda. If it is Talibun, then it will start with Wahid. What is here, brother? Ihda and then Waw. Wa Ishruna Talibatan. What is Talibatan, Sister Arifa? Tamiz. Remember? Tamiz. Remember from 11 to 99, the Madud is called Tamiz. And from 3 to 10, it is called But Tamiz. No, that's a joke, brother. It is Mudaf, Mudaf ilayhi. Okay. So, you see, Ihda matches Talibatan. If it was Talibun, then it would have become Wahidun. Wa Ishruna Taliban. In other words, Adad and Ma'dud match each other. They will always match 1, 2, 11, 12, and 21, 22, 31, 32, 41, 42, 51, 52, you know. In that they will match. Okay. Now, what is the next one, brother and sister? Ithnatani wa Ishruna Talibatan. Ithnatani. It matches with Talibatan. Make it Talibun. What will you say? Ithnani wa Ishruna Taliban. After that, they have to be opposite. Ishruna will remain Ishruna, whether it is Muannas or Muzakkar. Salasuna, it will not change. The only change will come in the first number. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? If it is Talibatan, then the first number will become Muzakkar. If it is Taliban, then the first number will become Muannas. Here we have 23. How do you say 23 female students? Salasun wa Ishruna Talibatan. Now remember, Talibatan is Tamiz. But Salasun can become Salasan, can become Salasin. And Ishruna will become Ishrina, if there is a need for it. Okay? You know how they change according to their positions in the sentence. Okay, fine. Now if I want to say 23 male students, I want to repeat it so that you have a good understanding. How will you say 23 male students? Salasatun wa ishruna taliban. Got the idea? Here, 24 female students. Arba'un wa ishrun talibatan. Make it 24 male students. Arba'atun wa ishruna taliban. Fine. Now, 25 female students. Khamsun wa ishruna taliban. Make it male students. Khamsatun wa ishruna taliban. Okay. Female students, sittun wa ishruna talibatan. Male students, sittatun wa ishruna taliban. Now here it is samanin. This you must highlight it, brother. Because this is where it's so different from the rest of the numbers. And we are going to study this later on in book 3, why it is like that. Why it is not like the other numbers. We are going to learn it in book 3, brother. Samanin, remember samanin is marfu. Samanin is marfu. Wa ishruna talibatan. Make it now male. Samaniyatun, wa ishruna taliban. Fine. This own wa ishruna talibatan, make it into masculine. This atun wa ishruna taliban. That's it, brother. Salasuna talibatan or salasuna taliban. No change. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? This was important for us to understand. Okay. Now, we go to the main lesson now. Brother, again I want to tell you, inshallah, one of these days we will do the surah from the Quran, in which all these surah number 33, ayat number 35 probably, in which innal muslimina wal muslimati wal mu'minina wal mu'minati wal qanitina, all these things are coming together. Brothers and sisters, inshallah we'll do it. So if I say mu'minuna, mu'minina, mu'minina. If I say muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. If I say sadiquna, sadiqina. If I say qanituna, qanitina, qanitin. If I say sabiruna, sabirina, sabirin. If I say saimuna, saimina, saimin. If I say hafizuna, hafizina, hafizin. If I say zakiruna, zakirina, it's easy. It's easy, inshallah. Keep that in mind. Because now in this lesson, Dr. Abdurrahim is going to teach us how they change in a sentence. The Jama' Mudhakkar Salim. Jafar. Ayn al-Mudarrisuna. Translation. Where are the teachers? The students have come. The teachers are all ghaib. What is the answer? La dakhalul fusula. They did not enter the classroom. So la is harf, brothers and sisters. Harfun nafi. Dakhalu. Fi'lun madin mabniun ala damma. And waw is the fa'il. Al-fusula. Mafulun bihi mansubun. Wa la atar and la again nafi. Fi ghurfatil mudarrisina. You got the idea? Fi ghurfatil mudarrisina. What is wala hum is mubtada. Okay. Fi ghurfatil mudarrisina. How will you translate? And they are not in the teacher's room. We have teacher's room. Fine. So fi harf jar, ghurfati, ism majrur, wa huwa mudaf, al mudarrisina, mudaf ilayhi majrurun bil ya. Li'annahu Jama' Mudhakkar Salim. Say this will be saying, like we used to say, Li'annahu Muthanna Now we will say, what will you say, Sister Sumayya? لِأَنَّهُ جَمَعَ مُذَكَّرْ سَالِم. No big deal, brothers and sisters. We will say, marfoon bil waw, or mansubun bil ya, or majrurun bil ya, لِأَنَّهُ Jama Muzakkar Salim. Because it is Jama Muzakkar Salim, it has got a different signs for Marfu, Mansub, and Majrur. We will be doing it. Now again, I must say, it is not necessary to do it now, but I will be saying it, so that slowly it will set in your mind. All these things will be said in detail in book 3, inshallah. Adnanu. أظن أنهم في اجتماع. I think they are in ijtima. They have a meeting or something. Okay. Now the question is, أرأيت المدرسين الجدد. See, جدد جددا جددين. Fine. لكن مدرسون مدرسين مدرسين. أرأيت. Where is the fi'l? Ra'ay. What is the fa'il? What is mudarisina? Maf'ulun bihi mansub. See, now it is maf'ulun bihi mansub. So what will you say? Mudarisina maf'ulun bihi mansubun wa alamatu nasbihi al-yaw. Li'annahu jama muzakkar salim. Okay? And if you want to say it in English, that's fine, brother. It's okay. You can say it is because it's a sound masculine plural. Wujududa. Not. It's not. No. Fine. Jafar. Aja'a mudarisuna jududun. See now. Jududun. Aja'a mudarisuna jududun. Brothers and sisters, A is harfu istifham. What is ja'a? Fi'lu madin mabniun ala fatah. Where is the fa'il? Mudarrisuna. Fa'ilun marfu'un wa alamatu raf'ihi al-waw. Why? Lima? Li'annahu jama muzakkar salim. And what is jududun? Not. Alhamdulillah. Masha. Adnan. Na. Ja'a khamsatu mudarrisina jududin. Can you see now here, brother? 5 new teachers. So khamsatu mudarrisina, from 3 to 10, mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Now, brothers and sisters, again, let us look at little deeply. Okay? Ja'a, fi'lu madin, mabniun ala fatah. Where is the file? Brother Hassan, where is the file? Khamsatu. Only khamsatu. Marfu. Fa'ilun marfuun bidamma. Okay? Wa huwa mudaf. And what is mudarrisina? Mudaf ilayhi. Majrur. Mudaf ilayhi majrur. Wa alamatu jarrihi al-yaw li'annahu jama muzakkar salim. And what is jududin? Not. It matches. Plural. Ra'aytu ahdahum. Ra'aytu ahdahum. What will you say? Translate. I saw one of them. Okay. So ra'ay fi'l, tu fa'il, ahda maf'ulun bihi, wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Fi maktabati, in the library, qabla qalilin, little while ago. Ismuhu, his name is Al-Husayn ibn Hassan. Okay, brothers and sisters? Now here also the Hamza of Ibnu is dropped. And there is a rule for that. When to drop it, when not to drop it. We will inshallah learn it soon. Yadkhulu ahdu mudarrisin al-jududi. Translation, brother. One of the new teachers enters. Fine. So yadkhulu is fi'l. Ahdu is your Yadkhulu is fi'l. Ahdu is your fa'il. Wa huwa mudaf. And then mudarrisina is mudaf ilayhi, and al-jududi is naat. Very good. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban ya ustad. We are going to analyze it in book 3. What does this mean? Not now, huh? Welcome. In short, welcome ya ustad. Ashkurukum ya ikhwanu. Ashkurukum. Shakara, yashkuru. Yashkuru, tashkuru, tashkuru, ashkuru. Fa'il, mustatir, takdiruhu, ana. Fi'lun mudari'un, marfu'un bi dhamma. What is kum? Maf'ulun bihi. When the pronoun joins a verb, it's maf'ulun bihi. Remember, when the pronoun joins a verb, it is always maf'ulun. Ashkurukum ya ikhwanu. Kam taliban fi faslikum haza. Now what is haza here? Naat. Don't say badal. Haza is a naat here. Haza is a naat for fasli. Okay? And it is definitely majroor. Kam taliban fi faslikum. Translation, brother? In your class, this class, okay. Fihi, in it, arba'una taliban. Oh, mashallah. Let's analyze it, brother. Fihi, jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Where is our mubtada? Arba'una, mubtada, marfuun, wa alamatu raf'ihi, al-waw, li'annahu Jama Mudhakkar Salim. That's the way you will analyze it. And what is Taliban? Tamiz, mashallah. Walakinnani ara khamsatan wa salasina Taliban fakat. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Walakinnani, what is lakinnani? Lakinna min akhwatu inna. So it must have a ism. Where is the ism? Ya mutakallim. Ya mutakallim. Mansub. Fine. And where is the khabar? The rest of the jumla fi'liya is your khabar. So what is the jumla fi'liya? Ara. What is the ara is mudariya. What is madi? Ra'a. What is madi? Ra'a. Inshallah. I'll write down, brother. Ra'a will become yara. Are you with me? If it is yara, 5 in your pocket, yara, tara, ara, nara. Okay, fine. Brothers and sisters. Lakinnani ara, but I see, what do I see? Khamsatan. Now what is khamsatan? Maf'ulun bihi mansubun. Then waw is ataf. And what is thalathina? Ma'tufun ala. Mansubun. Thalathina, mansubun, wa ma'tufun ala khamsatan. And if you say thalathina mansub, then you will say ma'tufun, mansubun, wa alamatu nasbihi al-ya'u li'annahu jama' Mudhakkar Salim. It is on the pattern of Jama Mudhakkar Salim. Taliban. What is fakat? Only, I know that. Brothers and sisters, the word fakat has never been used in Quran. It has never been used in Quran. Fakat consists of 2 words. Fa as a ataf and kat. Okay, it is maf'ul mutlaq. But we are not going to do in detail. That's enough for us. Unless you are doing your MA in Arabic, then you will go in detail. But right now we will leave it. But for your information, it has not come in the Quran. Fakat does not exist in the Quran. Okay. Fine. What is the next one, brothers and sisters? فَأَيْنَ الْآخَرُونَ Brother? Akharu, akharuna. And where are the others? Where are the others? Hum ghaibuna al-yawma. Brothers and sisters, hum mubtada, ghaibuna khabar, al-yawma zarf. What is ghaibuna? Khabarun marfu'un wa alamatu raf'ihi al-wawu li'annahu jama' zakar salim. Very good. Ayya kitabin takra'una. Sister Madina, takra'una. See, this is a verb. Takra'una, what is the meaning of takra'una? Antum. You are all reading. Takra'una, brothers and sisters, fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi thubuti noon and waw is the fa'il. So, takra'una, Sister Madina, takra'una ayya kitabin. You are reading which book? So, ayya becomes maf'ulun bihi mansubun. But it comes in the beginning because it starts a sentence. It is ismu istifham. So, it has to come in the noun of interrogation. It has to come in the beginning of the sentence. Inshallah. You will remember this. So, ayya maf'ulun bihi mansubun wa huwa mudaf kitabin mudaf ilayhi. And takra'una, we just did it. Nakra'u hazal kitab. We are reading this book. Nakra'u, fi'lun mudari'un, marfu'un bi damma, fa'il mustatir, takdiruhu nahnu. Haza, what is haza? Maf'ulun bi, and what is kitab? Badal, mashallah. Ismuhu, its name is Qisasun Nabiyina. Inshallah, we will read this also if we get time. We have the book in the store. Liman huwa. When you talk about a book and you say liman huwa, means who's the author. Liman huwa means who is the author. When you talk about book, and see how it is described. Huwa, it is li. Here you used harf jar li. If you say huwa li means it is written by.